Hello, welcome back. Today I thought of doing a little bit of a concert with Aurora. This is somewhat of a Christmas time concert, so I'm curious to see this. I didn't picture Aurora in a Christmas type of song, but I heard the introduction, and she said I said something about being respectful, and she wants to just please people. So should be quite interesting. It looks like it's in a cathedral or something like that.
There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. And they say he wandered very far, very far, over land and sea.
This is Nature Boy. This is a very old song. I think the first time I heard it was the Nat King Cole, I think. Yeah, they were quite old. Oh my god, this is the last thing I expected.
A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he.
She's looking very peaceful. Wow. Is this something, or it's beautiful? I never expected her to start like a Christmas time concert with Nature Boy, but it fits so well with her, like Nature Girl.
And then one day, a lucky day, he passed my way. Then we spoke of many things, fools and kings. This he said to me.
And she is hauntingly good, even though it's a Christmas thing, but it's like unbelievable beautiful. Her voice is perfect for this.
The greatest thing you'll ever learn is to love and be loved in return.
And that's why she chose it. It's about love, you know? She's so good. Oh wow. It's funny because we all expect to hear more. because we're so mesmerized by her, you know. This girl, oh, she's spectacular without being spectacular, you know, without having anything added to her. She just is,